The brutal truth is that most of us are not destined to work on a Hollywood blockbuster or the next Netflix hit series. We just want to capture those important moments and memories in a way we can be proud of. We've all filmed like this. A quick pan, maybe a zoom, and then something catches our eye and we move on. Just reacting instantly to what we see. Look how different it can be if we just take a moment to think about what we're doing ahead of time. It doesn't need a grand plan or a script, just some consideration before we press record. Same camera, same settings, very different result. Most of us don't have a camera problem, we have a process problem. We press record before we've decided what we're creating. The difference between a group of casual clips and a considered video isn't equipment, it's intention. A considered video means that you knew what you were filming, you chose your shots, you held them long enough, and you shaped them afterwards. This series is about making the shift from casually filming moments to intentionally crafting them into a video. It's about learning to see, capture and shape video using whatever camera you already have. And that includes the camera on your phone. Indeed, most of the examples in this series were shot on my mobile phone. The series is divided into sections. We'll start by looking at capturing video, then we'll cover editing it and move on to color grading it. As well as video, we'll also cover capturing and editing sound. Welcome to the Considered Video series on the Izoard Photo video channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you get notified when new episodes are published. See you next time.